What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing video of these brand new headphones. They're the SHIVR NC18 noise canceling over the ear Bluetooth headphones. So usually we don't do consumer style products on this channel, but you know, DJs, we love to listen to music. That's probably why we're DJs in the first place. So we're always going to need DJ style headphones when we're doing our DJ gig type of thing, but we'll test these and see if they can work with your DJ equipment as well as with your other devices. But DJs also need headphones when they're on the plane and when they're traveling, when they're going to and fro, and when they're just actively finding music and curating music in order to play for your crowds. So let's see what SHIVR has to offer. It's a pretty new company. Let's unbox these and see everything that they come with. Right in the box, first thing we have is a nice hard case here. Also in the box, we have warranty, registration information, and instruction manual inside of this little pouch here. Next, we have an actual audio cable here. This is a nice, regular, standard style audio cable where both leads are the same. So looks like you'll be able to replace this with your standard mini jack leads if you need a different style cable or if you lose the one that's here. It's got a nice rubberized type coating to it. And again, both ends are the same, so that's really good news for if you ever happen to lose the case. The last thing left is these themselves. Oh, actually, in here we also have your USB-C style connector, which is really good to see. It has that same rubber coating to it, and this is to actually charge the wireless battery that is within the SHIVR active noise canceling headphones, NC18s. So again, this is a nice hard material. The bottom is kind of a felt feeling material, and the top is a coated rubbery style material, but it definitely is a hard case. You can definitely protect the headphones with these. Okay, in here is the headphones themselves. There's a little pocket in here, a little pouch, so that way you can hold all your cables here and maybe something else that you guys have laying around. And you see the molding here is cut out so that way the headphones can go back in their starting position. All right, these are the headphones themselves. They're over-the-ear headphones. They have 40mm drivers. They have a mostly plastic construction to them. Maybe the headband has some metal in there. We'll get confirmation on that. Really plush feeling ear cups with nice memory foam. Even as I'm pushing it down with my hands, I can see it takes a long time for it to come back out, but it feels really plush and really, really soft. Again, mostly plastic construction. On one side you have your audio outlet. On the other side you have your USB-C style connector. And you have your up and down volume control and your one-touch magic button. You have active noise canceling on and off switch here. And we'll do the full out review video for you guys within the next couple weeks. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you want more videos just like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.